mwanchu murigiria nabego tutigarite asoro gongo rwa gusi kurwa ase county Nyamira bono nigo homo MCV ward ya township ase county Nyamira dio kamasira nigara chigoti anu babuna gochikoba omurayibura abo bange ase county assembly ye county ya Nyamira orobotiro na senchira yewekerano.
Tender the changes of the new majority whip Yambega Gisesa and replace him with Honorable Duke Oyagi Masira with the support of the attached signatures. Signed by Aperi Mose, Majority Leader. Signed by Honorable Jeria Nyakani, Deputy Majority Whip. An attachment signed by 16 honorable members. Honorable Machungo Mogaka, Honorable Duke Masira, Honorable Charles Keganda, Honorable Chuma Evans Matunda, Honorable Josephine Atunga, Honorable Josiah Mangera, Honorable George Abuga, Honorable General Nyakundi, Honorable Jeria Nyakani, Honorable Abel Mose, Honorable Reja Abere, Honorable Vincent Thomas Peneja, Honorable Edina Obara, Honorable Spora Kerubo, Honorable Beatrice Kerubo, Michelle Kemuma Umoya, 16 members.
Nabo igo toko yenda bakase county ya Kisumu nikobona monogari